Shanika and Jaquel. Shalanda at work. Oh, hold
Get it
on.
out.
Hey, you gotta learn. Do your step, dog. Oh, snap. She gonna beat me. Like I stole something. I didn't even steal nothing.
Hi. I will throw you in the water. It's going to water.
It was summertime, we could throw her. She'd be flying. Hey, we're gonna test out. We got the green goblin and the pink stallion. Honey, drink your soda. You asked for it. Yo. Look. No, you better drink that. I got a new one if you want. No, you can't. Look, I'm testing out these poles right here. This one is not.
I'm going to use the green one.
Then I got my main. This I'm using this for the masters. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. I got 4 bells on this. All right, put your own worm on, okay? It's a competition. You take your own fish out, or else you lose. You can't win. No, you're not gonna win. Just me doing everything. Nope, don't work that way, dog. I hate you more about that. Catch me outside.
Hush your mouth.
You hush your mouth.
I won the last competition.
You lost.
No, I won.
True.
You guys no fish.
Joe, why you bringing out old yet? I'm gonna throw it down now. I'm gonna catch me a shark.
These fish cost $2.
I'm gonna catch me a shark. You don't even know how to put your worm. I'm gonna chug this soda and get crunk.
Daddy!
You can hook yourself. She for the die. She's bleeding.
Daddy! Dad! Daddy, it's not clear.
Ow! I'm gonna catch first fit.
I hate you.
I hate you more. That's all you can say.
I hate you.
I hate you, Super Mo.
I hate you.
I'm gonna use a cat fit. I'm a cat the fit. Betty, we're gonna throw you in the water, Betty. Betty, we don't even like you, Betty. We just love you. Betty, I'm gonna catch a fish first. Why? First, $5 go to me. Go catch. Okay, mommy's funding this. Every fish we get $5 from mommy. She don't even know it. She a buster.
Daddy, I don't know how to put on a water.
Hey, you can't win all the time. You gotta learn to lose.
I don't know.
You gotta put yourself, dog. Hey, no, ain't no crying and fishing. Nope. Honey, put it on yourself. Nope. Nope. Ain't no such thing. Ain't no crying and fishing. Honey, I'm not playing. Hurry up, do your own thing. Look, no, you better.
I hate you.
Do it yourself.
I can't.
Well, I told you already. Just hook
No, you did
hook it a
not.
bunch of times. Just put the worm in the
No.
hook. Okay, then don't. You're getting me upset. I'm getting upset. You just, no. I'm getting me upset. You get my worm, do it myself. Pinch it half. No, pinch it half when you look. Get half, then we'll put it out here. Here, don't act like a baby.
Stop
You're the
it.
meanest of the meanest of the
Stop.
meanest.
Hush.
Come on, me. Why y'all holding me all the goddamn time?
I don't know how to do this.
Well, that's too bad. Go return all the fishes. Act like a little brat.
You!
You act like a brat.
You!
I am a brat.
Yup.
I'm the brat. The rapper. Ain't no fish here, yo. We gotta go to the other spot. We're 2 minutes already. Look, this is how you do it. Just watch me. Look. Yeah, that's all you gotta do, dog.
Hush your mouth.
Oh. I'm gonna watch you. You say that one more time, you get grounded.
Hush your mouth.
Honey, you get grounded. You're grounded like TWA, dog. Oh, watch out. Move away from my camera. Look. Yo, homies. What did mommy say? Oh! What did mommy say? Mommy over there. Mommy funding this fishing challenge. Let me see. You gotta go over there, dog.
Boo boo. I'm just estimating how I do this.
Hey, mommy funding this. Oh, hey. Is that mommy? No, that ain't mommy. That's homegirl. No. Oh, that's looks cold. No, it ain't cold today. It's 75 degrees. It's 75 degrees. It was below 0 yesterday, but it's 75 degrees today. God damn, it's fucking South Carolina weather. It's bipolar like me. So sketchy. bipolar as shit, yo, this weather. Look. Oh, that's too far. You ain't gonna catch fit. You gotta bring it closer.
Hey!
Okay. Hey, who texted? Who messaged me, yo? Who the hell?
I already got a fish. I got a fish. I'm
Who
gonna
that?
go get my dog.
Oh, that's John. Oh,
Who's
that
John?
Joshua. Hey, man, I'm on my phone, dog. Hold up. The water in bad condition. Like it ain't rain, but oh, fish buddy, somebody pull.
Hey!
Gotta look at.
Hey! I decided not to take a nap because I'm not tired no more. I'm only tired when I'm sitting down or laying down. Once I get up and stuff, I have lots of energy because I drank coffee today just now.
If we don't bite, we're gonna move spots. If we don't bite, we're gonna move spots. People be litting on this spot,
Yeah,
man.
that's what people do to me too. One person donated me $10,000. How much did they give you? I know, guys. Someone gave me. So once that person gave me that much money, somebody else gave me $5,000 because I won a game. I won an obby in Roblox and Bloxburg because